Breaking news coming in. 23-year-old Tehelka victim who levelled charges of rape against former founder of Tehelka, Tarun Tejpal, has submitted an audio recording to Goa Crime Branch last evening of more than 20 minutes. The conversation is between the victim, Tarun Tejpal, and Shoma Chaudhary, where they are discussing internal action to be taken against Tarun Tejpal and not pursuing the case further than that. Goa Crime Branch has added this recording as part of evidence in the investigation. All right, so this victim, the 23-year-old victim, has submitted recordings of the conversations she had with founder Tarun Tejpal of Tehelka and former managing editor, Shoma Chaudhary. Now, in these conversations, it appears that she's been convinced that internal action will be taken against Tarun Tejpal and that they won't take the case any further than that. Vikas Mishra is now joining us with more details on that issue. Vikas, how crucial is this evidence?
This is very crucial evidence as far as this case is concerned, because this is being handed over by the victim herself, and she has recorded all the conversation which happened between Tarun Tejpal, Shoma Chaudhary and the victim after the incident which took place on November 7th and 8th. So they have in the evidence which has been submitted, there's a recording of more than 20 minutes where there's a conversation happening between Tarun Tejpal, victim, and Shoma Chaudhary. And there, what I have learned from Goa Crime Branch sources, that the conversation is all about where the victim has been asked to go slow on things and not to reveal it to further to other people, and also not there will be internal investigation which will take place, and so that she should not be public about this incident. So that's all the conversation which has taken place in this 20 to 20 minute conversation. And after getting the recording of the conversation, the Goa police has made it a part of the investigation and will be showing it as evidence when the matter comes for the court.
Because when the victim recorded her statement, did she tell the police that she had these audio recordings with her?
No, she just handed over the recording today, and after that the allegations were made that the incident has not taken place, and Tarun Tejpal said you should go and look to the whole CCTV footage, rather concentrating on a few parts of it. Victim came ahead and said that they are recording also which can prove the claim made by the victim. So after listening to the recording of the conversation which has taken place between three of them, Goa police have decided to make it part of as evidence in the investigation.
Vikas Mishra, many thanks for joining us with those details.